Hello. I wanted to talk a little bit today about a peeve I have about health insurance. For a number of years, I had health insurance through my employer, which was okay as it was. Well, earlier this year, I turned 65, so I was eligible for Medicare, and did not realize at the time that you could get Medicare while you were still working, but you can. So I signed up, and I got on it, and everything's working out fine until recently. I had been trying to change doctors, and the office that I'd been going to, I went through a few hiccups. They had a doctor I'd selected, and my first appointment, he informed me he was leaving the practice. So I had to try and find another one. So I set up another appointment, which I had to wait 3 months to get. And a few days before, I called the office and even went down there to see if they accepted Medicare. They really couldn't tell me whether they did or not. They said, well, yeah, we accept Medicare, but there are so many different plans that, we have to check it out. Well, they couldn't figure it out. So I just said, to heck with it, and went with a doctor that I knew took Medicare. So that solved that issue. Then comes my dentist. The last time I was in, I asked them if they were going to accept Medicare. And the answer was, yeah, we used to at our old location, but the doctor's now trying to get reapplied and everything. So I gave it a couple months, and I went back in there and asked them, and this time I got a flat no. Now, I'm a little peeved about that because if you have health insurance, whether it's through an employer, whether it's self-insured, whether it's through Medicare, then I would think that every medical or dental or vision outfit should accept your insurance. I mean, why are we paying for insurance if they're going to pick and choose whether they accept it or not? It's a little hard on people who, are trying to make ends meet, and especially hard on people who are not necessarily in my position, who are struggling every month to meet all their obligations. And then to have medical bills on top of that aren't covered by insurance, and they have to poke around to find the right place that takes insurance. It's just a little rant that I have about health insurance, and it's just kind of frustrating for those of us who are on insurance or Medicare and just can't get the right place or the right doctor to take what we've got.